In this session, I'd like to complete the exercises which have been assigned for Module 4. So just as a reminder, here are the exercises. And let's go ahead and download the two files that we need from the developer site. So I'm already logged into the developer site. I've gone to the cookbook section, and as we scroll down here, we'll see there's a section of recipes. And if we move down, we'll see that there's one here with working with process outputs, and this is the one that's outlined in the exercise, viewing the inputs and outputs of a process. So the exercise really, as well as just running the script, is taking on board the information that's described on this page. So there's quite a bit of information here that you should go through and make sure you understand not only the process of what we're doing, but also how the script works. And then right at the bottom we have the script itself. So let's download that, and I'll put it in a folder that I've got ready for this. And we also, so the exercise tells us, need the utilities class that this file relies upon. So we can get that just from the menu here using the Groovy utility class. Once again, help on how to use this, but for this session let's just go ahead and we'll drop this in the same location as my script. So now I've got both files here, the utilities and the actual script, and I want to go ahead and edit the script. So you'll probably need to edit the username and password, and I will also be updating the URL to my LIMS system, and as well we want to replace the LIMS ID that's in this variable with the one that we're interested in looking at from the LIMS itself. So I'd already talked about this process in the Module 4 recording. We see that its LIMS ID here is 24-702. So let's enter that into the script. 24-702. Go ahead, save the changes. And now I'm going to bring up a command line interface or a DOS window, and it should already be pointed at the right place. Yes, there's both of those files. So I just go ahead and call Groovy and ask it to run our get process input output. Script will run, query the API, and if we just look at the output here, if we go through this with a fine-tooth comb, we'll see that we've got lots of result file placeholders as analytes, or sorry, artifacts, and which inputs they relate to. And then we've got this one, which clearly, since it relates to many inputs, is the shared result file, and then we've got the remainder of the other result file artifacts. So I leave this as an exercise for the viewers to reconcile this information with the information that you will get by choosing the process that you're interested in and doing the trick that we did using the Input-Output Explorer to ascertain which outputs go with which inputs and vice versa. Thank you.